I recently built a WPF application, but it doesn't have any logging. Let's change that by adding the Loupe agent to my project and connecting it to my Loupe Server trial. Let's navigate to the WPF tab of the Quick Start Guide. The first instruction is to add the Gibraltar Loupe agent to the project. Let's follow the link, and from here we can copy the install command for the package manager. I'll simply paste in the command and let it run. Then, I'll check the package's config file to confirm the agent is installed. I can also take a look in the app config and see a new config section has been added for the Gibraltar agent. A more common way to install the Loupe agent is through the Manage NuGet Packages menu. Simply search for Loupe, and you'll find the Gibraltar agent as well as many other more specific Loupe packages you may want to use in the future. Let's go back to the Quick Start Guide and add a couple lines to the app class. I'll first add the Using Gibraltar agent line under the Using System Windows line. Then, I'll add the rest of the code into the application class. From here, we can move on to the Configure tab. This is where you'll find the configuration data needed to connect your project to Loupe Server. The Loupe Agent NuGet package already added everything necessary for the section group, so we only need to add the lines for the Gibraltar configuration section. Let's copy the publisher and server sections and add them to the project. Be sure to change the Your Product and Your Application names to appropriate names for your project. Now, I'll save the project and navigate to the Run tab of the Quick Start Guide. The good news is, all we need to do for this step is run our application for a few minutes, shut it down, and wait for the session data to upload to Loupe. At this point, the Quick Start Guide will be replaced with data for your application. From here, you can navigate to the Usage tab and check out the messages from our first recorded session. Thanks for watching this tutorial. By adding Loupe to your project, you can now experience the benefits of centralized logging.